Hey everyone, just thought I'd let you know that this is the time of year that you should be thinking about replacing that air filter in your furnace. Typically, this is the time of year that we take care of that. But what's interesting is when we called our HVAC person, they are backed up 2 months. I couldn't believe it. So if it's a service that you're thinking about doing, make sure to call and get that scheduled because there's a lot of backup. The other thing that might be useful is that last year we probably spent about $40 per vent. This year it seems like the prices went up approximately 20-30%. So factor that into the equation as well. If you need recommendations, let me know.